Welcome back, folks. Today is Tuesday, June 16th, 2015. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 3:30. This is my gourd. I got pumpkins that are almost as big, and they have been started like 2 months later. Here's a pumpkin, there's another one. I got one here, so I got 8 down. I think I got 8 total. I got one here. Let's see. One over here. Way down there. And I got some in the middle. I can't really see with all these weeds. But my corn has also popped up. Keep forgetting. Oh, look at all this mud. It's a mess. Rained earlier today about 1 o'clock. I shouldn't say rained. It's like downpoured. Past this tree here is my corn. Probably this weekend I'll plant some more corn on the other side of the tree. Can't see it, can you? There's one. There's the other one. There's the other one. Here I got 15 rows of this new stuff. And let's see, let's pace them out. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Let's say that's 35 feet. And 15 rows. You see a lot better in person. You can see the rows very nicely. Phone doesn't want to get it. Let's go all over to my other field and let's take a look at that one. Here's our second field. We'll take a look at this bad boy. Take up to my knee now. Knee high by the 4th of July. Well, sorry. Well, that pun doesn't work here. It's June 16th. I'm a little month ahead of schedule on this corn here. It's all about shin high. I don't know what created that one be so high. It's just weird to me. Mid shin. Well, this group here is knee high. Here's another green knee high one. More knee high ones. But they're getting tall. Sorry for the wind noise. Weather hasn't been very cooperative lately. Very stormy. It rains just about every day. Global warming, I don't know what's going on with global warming. It's just some weird weather we have going on. And it's funny saying that, look how big my corn is when it gets 6 or 7 foot tall. That's about it. It seems like all I ever talk about is this older section. I got this newer section too. This is probably 10 inches tall now. It's getting up there. This bamboo really likes it in here. I absolutely hate it. You finally start seeing the rows and all the grass and stuff looking good. I haven't had very many repairs this year yet, which is very fortunate. The only thing I've been up to lately is taking a little bungee cord, cutting it in half, make a little hood latch, like on trucker hoods, but it's a cheaper version. My hood rattles on this thing, it's annoying. I have yet to do the other side. Very simple. Just 1/4" bolt and a washer drilled through. And you don't drill the bungee with a drill bit. You take a punch that cuts the holes out in the rubber. Oh, I also put new rubber around the seal here. This side sticks good. Oh, it's starting to come off already. I'm not very pleased with it. I'm going to have to redo it. And this side is way off. But I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave any comments you have. Try to get back to them. Summer's kind of hard for me to get back to people. I don't have that much internet. I'm always working. But I'll try my best. Please stay tuned.